This is a Lexus Proximatey key, and to replace the battery, basically you gotta just slide that over. So that's the emergency key. This is a blank, hasn't been cut. Now some people stick the key in and twist it. I don't like to do that. I like to use a screwdriver or Leatherman or something. There's a little tiny space in here, just small. And there's the battery. Now the battery on this one is a from this is a Sony CR1632. So again, little circuit board. Just pry it gently. There's our little battery out. So again, it's just a little Sony 1632. Clip her back in. Put her back in there. Now, the real pain in the butt with this one is this little tiny piece here. This helps on retaining the key. Put it in there first like that. Get that in there flush. Put that in there then it goes together really nice. See, there's clips. If you don't get that little metal piece in there, it's a real pain in the butt. And then just clip her all back in. This is for a Lexus Proximatey key. I'll just go over it one more time. Little tiny spring loaded. Put it there. Pull out your emergency key. I use my Leatherman here. Little spot right there. Just give a little twist. And just gently. You don't have to force these. There we go. And again, that's the little piece that gives us a pain in the butt. There's our battery. Just gently. Nothing has to be forced. It comes out. Gently put it back in. Get that piece flush. This little metal piece that gives us trouble if we don't get it in right. Everything's flush. Just go like that. Clips all nicely. And again, there's our 4-button Lexus Proximatey key, changing the battery on it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.